Hey guys, Dave here at Transfer Express, and today I'm very excited to show you our brand new uploader tool. Now this has been completely reworked to be a lot more user-friendly and walk you through the steps to give you an accurate quote and submit an order straight to your cart. So without further ado, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how it works. Now that we're here at transferexpress.com, we'll go right here to the Upload Artwork button at the top of the page. Now this is going to open the brand new uploader. And the first question that we're going to ask is, what print method are we looking for? Screen printed is our spot color printing, recommended for 1 to 2 color printing, 3 colors sometimes before it becomes not as economical to print. Here is our full color. This is a digital process CMYK color for 3+ colors, shading, fine details, or any gradients. Here is the multi-file artwork ordering option. Now this is if you have 2 or more files and you want to combine them all on one gang sheet. This is going to open EasyView Online Designer and allow you to scale those appropriately to whatever size you want and put whatever files on there. For our first example, let's use screen print. Now it's asking us how many colors do we want printed. For our first example, we'll use 2. The next question will be what fabric you're printing on, 100% cotton, polyester, blends, nylon, etc. So this is going to help us form a recommendation for you to print the best transfer designed for the fabric you're printing on. For our first example, we'll just use 100% cotton. Here, our quantity needed is just the amount that you want ordered, so we need 50 of this image. Now, of course, we get to our product step, and our goof proof, our #1 transfer, is the recommended transfer type to use. So you can see all of our screen printed transfers here. We'll go ahead and select our goof proof transfer. Now, because we selected 2 colors, there are 2 colors right here. So our 2 colors will be black and red. If you need to add another color in this step, you absolutely can, or you could remove colors as well. Now, the next question is going to be about your artwork size. We'll be doing a single image only. Now, once you select single image, down pops a little sizing section. Because we have our file open here in Adobe Illustrator, we'll go ahead and select our entire image, and with the transform box opened here, we know it's 7 inches by 3.6, and do 7 by 3.6. Of course, we could fit quite a few on there at 7 by 3.6. The full sheet size is 11.5 by 14. So we're paying $10.66 per sheet, and we're getting each one of our images for about $267 for a grand total of $138.58. So we'll go next. Of course, now there is an artwork checklist at the bottom. Did you convert all text to curves and outlines? Are there show-through areas at least 0.04 inches thick? And if ordering full color transfers is the art in CMYK mode. If you need to outline your artwork, just go up here to type, go down to create outlines, or shift Control and O. After we've checked everything on the artwork checklist, we could go and add our file right here. And we'll add an artwork description. And you could add any notes. If you're looking for a color change or have any weird issues with your artwork, you could just let us know here. This step is optional. Once we checked everything over on the order summary, we looked everything over on the pricing summary at the bottom, we could go ahead and add this to our cart. Now for our second example, we'll go ahead and go through our process again, but ordering a full gang sheet. This step, we'll be using our screen printed transfers. We'll be using 1 color printing. And here, let's say we're printing on polyester. Now for the quantity, we'll add 50. But as you can see now, because we're printing on 100% polyester, our Elastiprints option is the recommended transfer type. We'll be using black inks for this 1 color print. Now gang sheet's going to be if we already set up our file on an 11.5 by 14 inch artboard. So here we have everything all set, and we'll run through the artwork checklist again. We do not have outline fonts, so we'll go to type, create outlines. So here we have our full sheet size. Our gang sheet is selected. Our 50 sheets are $267 an image, and we'll go on to the next step. Here is our pricing at the bottom, and we'll go ahead and add our full gang sheet. We could add our artwork description and any notes. We don't have any, so we'll just move forward and add it to cart. Now, in our final example, we'll show our full color option. Now, we're using full color because we have gradients in our artwork and a little bit more than 3 colors that we want replicated. So for this example, we'll be printing on 100% cotton, and now it's going to ask us our quantity. So we need 50. Now you'll see that our Ultracolor Soft is the recommended product here. It's going to skip our colors since we are printing in full color CMYK. Again, we'll be talking about measuring it with our transform window open. It's 7 by 3.5. 7 by 3.5. Now we'll go ahead and go to the next step. Now over here on the right hand side, we have our order summary. On the bottom, we have our pricing summary again, and we'll go through our ordering checklist. Let's check to make sure that the art is in CMYK color mode so our colors are more accurate when printed. Let's go back on over to Illustrator, and we'll go Type, Create Outlines first. Then we'll look at our document setup to see what color mode we're in. And here we are in CMYK, so we're A-OK. Now we'll go back to our uploader, we'll drag and drop or upload our file, and here's our single multicolor image in an Illustrator format, and we'll add this one here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to supply us your own artwork and create an order of custom transfers regardless of the transfer type you're purchasing. Now, until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.